Hello, this is Stacy from Truly Majestic. Let's make a cowl. You will need 500 grams or 1 pound of wool roving. So the first thing we do is just tie a simple knot, and we're going to be casting on 5 stitches, and we're doing a single cast on because later on we'll undo this. This is just a provisional cast on. As you can see, I twirl it and then just pop it on my arm. Give it a twirl and then pop on my arm. Give it a twirl on your arm. These stitches will not stay. This is only half of the cast on. So to finish up, I need to pull the yarn through each of these loops and pop it onto my other arm, and this is the second half of the cast on. The entire cowl has one pattern, and that is to slip the first stitch, knit the 3 middle stitches, and that means you take your yarn from the back of this loop to the front, and then make sure your hand is going from the back of the loop to the front as well to put it on your arm. If you go front to back instead of back to front, it'll twist it up. So you knit these 3 middle stitches. This is a knit stitch. We do that with the 3 middle ones, and the last one we KTBL, which is knit through the back loop. And knitting through the back loop simply means you hold on to your yarn and pull the loop straight off. You don't have to worry about knitting into the front or the back, just pull it straight through and onto your arm. So we slip the first stitch again, knit the 3 middle stitches, and KTBL the last stitch. Always make sure your knits are going from the back to the front. The new yarn you pull through each loop should go from the back of the loop to the front of the loop if the loop is opened up facing you. Now let's KTBL the last stitch. Simply just pull it through, and we're going to leave it on this arm. That's the same as slipping it, and knit the middle stitches, KTBL the last one. And I'm going to speed things up a little bit here. You should have understood how to do the knit stitch, the KTBL, and a slip stitch. And you just do this all the way till the end, till there's only a little bit of yarn left. I'll let you knit now until you have only a little bit of yarn left, or it's as long as you want it to be to make the cowl. Up the sides you should have a nice smooth kind of braid look. And the middle, this is the purl side of the scarf. It should be bumpy, and the other side should look like V's, and it should be nice and flat. So you are ready to join the ends now, and we're going to do that by laying it on the ground, and I'll show you how. We want to unknit or unravel the side that we first cast on. So our single cast on, we just keep pulling this yarn out, and as you can see, it just loosened up 1 stitch. And now I'm going to keep pulling out all the way till I get across, and it'll loosen up. In the end, we'll have a total of 4 stitches on this side, and we have 5 stitches on the opposite side, and we're going to join those together. For the full version of this video, please click the link in the description.